Hello. We're out in the town. It's late evening, about after 6. And it's pissing it down. But there is a reason. I am getting absolutely soaked. And this is one of the things we come to see. Dave Myers tribute. Right, look, Christmas decoration time. Look at this. In the rain. Let's see how many people turn up. I think that's a bit early. There's the town hall. I'm hiding. Raining. Like an Eskimo. I'm shaking, I'm not cold. It's been a miserable week, weather-wise. Never seen so much rain. Look, he's smiling. Christmas carols. I think the lens is going to get wet. There's not a lot I can do about it. All the renovations and work still going on in the market. I don't think this is going to be a very good turnout. It's actually the night to turn the Christmas lights on. You've got the tree there.
Ladies and gents, let's see the sunset. Here we are. Very soon, only a few streets left. Literally,
Still some turtle.
A month ago, we can't wait. We're looking forward to it. The rain doesn't bother us, not in Barrow. Right then, folks, we have come to the penultimate part of the evening. The big part you've all been waiting for. Thank you so much for sticking with us in this weather, guys. Thanks for coming out and supporting us. We've done the same massive thank you once again to each and every one of you. You're absolutely brilliant. To all the helpers, there's too many to mention. From the stage, from the sound guys, we'll put it all on Facebook and thank you all individually. The first aid, the helpers, everybody. But the biggest thank you to Spirit Energy, our wonderful sponsors who've given us thousands and thousands so that we can do this today. They've provided presents for all the kids. They're investing in our community. So big thank you to Natalie and all the team down at Spirit Energy. Absolutely brilliant. Oh, yes, in fact, let's get Natalie up, because without Natalie, she's going to say a quick couple of words. Without her, this wouldn't happen.
Hi everyone, I'll keep this really quick. I just want to say on behalf of Spirit Energy, I hope you all have a lovely Christmas, and thank you to Beth and Dennis and the rest of the team, because it's a fantastic event every year, with the kindness of their heart, and we're just glad to be a part of it, so Merry Christmas.
That's it, guys. Big round of applause for everybody.
All the train, all these people. Well done, Barrow.
But before we do that, also a massive thank you to our switch on stars. Now I'm going to tell you, it's the amazing Wally, you're under 8s now, aren't you? Under 9s now, and Wally under 9s. You were the under 8s. Wally Island Football Club under 9s. They did it. They raised a lot of money for Brain Tumor charity, didn't you? Absolutely brilliant. How many thousands was it? £6,000. They did like a football. How long do you play football for? 2 years? That's a long time to raise money. Non-stop. Now that's commitment. 2 years. Non-stop football. Well done, guys. So honestly, guys, a big thank you to them. These are our stars. Our worthy nomination. They played a football marathon. They raised a lot of money for a local cause, for brain tumour, for a very good cause that affects each and every one of us. Now, guys, please. I need you to scream. I need you to shout. We're going to have a practice for these lights. I'm going to hand you over to Earth. We're going to have a practice. Well, please give me a big scream. Let's make this the loudest we've ever done.
Right here, guys, as loud as we can. Let's be as loud as it is wet, okay? As loud as it is wet. We're just going to practice first of all to make sure that our technicians can hear what's going on. Just to practice first of all. On the count of 3, Marrow, I want you to scream. And hold it on. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! Now then, when we go for real, we need to be twice as loud. Our technicians who are dotting around, they need to be able to hear us.
I think that was quite loud, but before we carry on, I'm going to ask our Mayor of Barrow, Councillor Judith McEwen, was that loud? Not loud enough. And I'm going to ask the Mayor Council, a good friend of ours, Councillor Bill McEwen, was that loud enough, Bill? And these guys are the 2 best Mayor and Mayor Councils we have ever had. They do so much for this town. Let's give it 3 cheers for Judith McEwen, the Mayor and Mayor Council of Barrow. Hip hip! Hip hip!
Right, okay, guys. We're ready to go. On the count of 3. And our lights will be on. So, Barrow. Over the go. 10. Our lights will be 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everybody's going, I don't blame them. Let's see what the lights look like on the Duke Street. I'm not walking too far, I'm soaking wet already. Grab some chips on the way home. Yes, fish chips, curry sauce. Can't beat it. Might even be a beer later when I dry out. It is Saturday night after all. There's the lights down that way. But we want to go this way. I'll bring you back in a bit. We've got some more lights. Oh, pretty that. Whee. On Cavendish Street. Tipsy Shamrock, all about on. We're on Dalton Road in the town. Still raining. And I'll look at some more lights before we turn around and go back. Oh, not too bad. It's always a repeat of the same year before, except one thing which we're going to look at now. I do believe Barrow Bid has been working on this one. What's he doing? Why all these clowns drive cars when it's raining and you've got to get past them? Clown number 2. There we go. Big gift box. That's at the end of Old Road, Abbey Road. I just stood in a puddle to watch it. How good's that? What I like about it is, no matter if you like it or not, Barrow's made an attempt to put a smile on their faces, and that's going to be worth a pat on the back. Because no one else will do it. The pat on the back, that is. No, I want the back up now. The rain's easing off, said the sponge. The hood is down. Switching the lights on. First time I've switched to the light switching on when it's actually rained. I was quite lucky in the past. Hello to you all. Merry Christmas. Portland Walk. Decoration down there, look. His planters are looking good. Brighten the place up. There you go. Christmas lights in Barrow on the switching on evening in the rain, which is just about stopped now. Everybody's gone. Before we go any further, I need some cash. Got me cash, I can get fish and chips now. I hope you enjoyed this video. The things you do for YouTube. Drown rat. Keep smiling, it is Saturday. I'm going to finish the video at the end of this street. By the Kings. I don't think this camera will pick it up very well. I tried to take a picture on my iPhone, but the lights were blinding it a bit. Dave Myers. You can see it quite well from here, this side. Let's get closer. Down all clock faces, different colours. I hope you can see it far away. Green and red, and they're working as well. For what look, someone's lost the glasses. That's going to be an expensive loss. Down by the side, Barrow Market. Keep getting close to that over there. They have to actually use my phone. I don't believe it, the chip is shut. Well, let's stay open a bit extra. It's the way in the town, wouldn't it? There you go, by the Kings. Hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs. Leave a comment. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.